Have you ever wished you could build something once and get paid for it over and over again without talking to clients, hopping on Zoom calls, or doing custom work? What if I told you that right now, there are people quietly making thousands a month by selling tiny systems powered by AI, packaged like digital products, no meetings, no service, no burnout? Sounds like a dream? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to package AI agents into sellable, plug-and-play digital products, even if you hate selling and don't want to work with clients at all. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart tools, AI, and automation into real income streams. If you're into that, go ahead and subscribe now and tap the notification bell because I post new strategies every single week to help you grow a digital business that runs on autopilot. Let's dive in. Let me paint a picture. Imagine you build an AI-powered system once. Let's say, a testimonial request agent for local businesses. It sends polite review reminders after each appointment. Even includes a smart template, so customers don't have to think too hard about what to write. You build that once, then package it as a product. The 5-star review machine. You upload it to Gumroad or Systeme.io with a short setup tutorial and a few pre-written email scripts. Boom. Now it's a product, no client calls, no customization, no one-on-one service. They download, they install, you profit. That's the model. So how do you actually package these AI agents into sellable products? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Start with a real problem people already spend money on. You don't need to invent something groundbreaking. The secret is to solve a problem that's already costing people time, money, or energy. Something they're already paying someone else to deal with. Think about it. Every local business, freelancer, or solo entrepreneur has daily tasks they hate doing but still need to get done. Things like generating leads, following up with prospects, sending out quotes, collecting customer reviews, managing social media posts, replying to inquiries. It's all time-consuming, and it's usually done inconsistently. Now imagine delivering a simple AI-powered system that handles one of those tasks. Automatically, 24/7. That's powerful. Because instead of offering your time, you're offering relief. And that's something people gladly pay for. So before you build anything, ask yourself, what problem are people already paying to fix that I can automate? That's your starting point. Step 2. Build a reusable system, not a custom one-off. Here's where we flip the freelancer mindset. Most people think, I'll just build this automation from scratch for each new client. But that's trading hours for dollars. Again. Instead, your goal is to create one smart system that works across multiple niches with little to no customization. That's what makes it scalable. Let's say you design a lead follow-up agent. It connects a contact form from Typeform or Tally. Make.com grabs the answers. ChatGPT generates a personalized response. Gmail sends it instantly to the lead. Now that same automation, it works for a dentist, a tutor, a real estate agent, a fitness coach, almost any service business. You've just created an asset, not a gig. You build it once and sell it to many. That's how productized automation works. Step 3. Give your system a name that sells the benefit. This step might sound small, but it's huge. What you call your system is the difference between meh and shut up and take my money. Don't name your product something generic like lead response workflow or ChatGPT automation bot. That sounds technical, cold, confusing. Instead, give it a benefit-driven name that makes people instantly get what it does, not how it works. Let me give you a few examples that actually sound like something people want to buy. Instead of calling it Follow-up Workflow V2, you can say Speed to Lead Booster, because it helps you reply faster to potential clients. Or Review Magnet Kit, which helps you collect more positive reviews on autopilot. Or even Smart Booking Assistant, making it easier for clients to book your service without any back and forth. Good product names highlight transformation. What's changing in the buyer's business? What are they gaining? So spend time naming it well, because a great name does half the selling for you. Step 4. wrap everything into a ready-to-use product. This is where you turn an automation into a digital product. Think of it like a bundle that your customer can pick up, open, and get working without asking you a single question. Here's what that bundle should include. 1. A setup guide. This could be a PDF or a short Notion page explaining how the automation works and how to connect it. 2. A walkthrough video. Record your screen and show them step by step how to install and customize it. Loom is great for this. 3. Pre-written copy. Email templates, message scripts, or captions that are already done for them. Just copy, paste, and edit. 4. The automation file or structure. If it's on make.com, you can share the blueprint. If it's in Notion or Zapier, you give the duplicable version. 5. Bonus resources. Maybe a checklist, an FAQ, or a troubleshooting section to make them feel supported even without your help. Put all of this into a Google Drive folder or turn it into a Notion product. Deliver it through Gumroad, PayHip, or System. Easy. The goal is simple. They buy it. They follow 3 steps. They get results. No Zoom calls. No tech support. No headaches. Step 5. Use a simple platform to deliver and sell your product. You don't need a website. You don't need a sales funnel. All you need is one link where people can buy, pay, and get access. So, what are your best options to actually sell these digital agents? First, there's Gumroad. It's clean, reliable, super easy to use, and perfect if you're selling templates or one-off purchases without needing a full funnel. Then we've got System.io. This one's great if you want to go beyond just selling, like building a funnel, collecting emails, adding an upsell, or even delivering a free lead magnet before your main product. It's an all-in-one powerhouse. And finally, PayHip. If your goal is global reach, simple checkout, and automatic VAT handling, PayHip is a smart choice that works right out of the box. Once they click buy, your system handles the rest. The product gets delivered instantly. You don't have to be online. You don't have to approve anything manually. It just works. That's true passive delivery. Step 6. Let people see the value, not just read about it. This part is critical because people don't trust walls of text anymore. They want proof. They want simplicity. They want to feel like it works before they click buy. So instead of writing a long product description, show it in action. So how do you actually present these automations in a way that sells? Start by recording a quick 60-second demo. Show what the automation does. Real screen, real example, in real time. Nothing fancy, just proof. Then, use simple before and after storytelling. For example, before this agent, leads waited 2 days for a reply. Now, they get a personalized message in just 10 seconds. And finally, add a visual touch, a screenshot of the automation flow. Even if it's blurred or simplified, it gives people that aha moment. They see it's real. They believe it works. This builds trust, and trust leads to sales. Your product isn't just a folder of files. It's a shortcut to a better business. Make that clear. Make it visual. Step 7. Talk about the outcome, not the tools. Let's be honest. You might be excited about make.com, ChatGPT, API calls, custom webhooks, but your customer? They don't care. They don't want GPT-4 logic trees. They want more time, more leads, more sales. So instead of saying, this automation uses OpenAI and advanced branching logic to blah, 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 say, this system helps you respond instantly to leads, so you never lose a client again. Instead of, built on a Make plus Zapier hybrid flow, say, set it up once and it runs 24/7 without you lifting a finger. You're not selling how it works. You're selling what it solves, and that's what people will pay for. Now you might be wondering, what should you charge? If it's just one automation with a guide and template, $29 to $49 is a great place to start. If it's a full toolkit with 2 or 3 agents bundled together, you can price it at $97 to $149. And if it's a complete solution with onboarding flows, follow-up emails, or client systems, go bold. $197, $297, even $500 plus is possible, especially if it replaces a $1,000 per month VA or social media manager. And the best part, once you build it, it's done. You don't have to touch it again. It becomes a digital asset that sells over and over again, while you focus on building the next one. So, here's your challenge. Pick one small business problem. Build one automation that solves it. Give it a name that sells the outcome. Wrap it in a clean, easy-to-use package. And list it like a product, not a service. That's how you stop trading time for money. That's how you build leverage. And that's how you start making real digital profit on autopilot. If you want the exact product packaging blueprint with templates, prompts, and product maps ready to customize, grab the guide in the pinned comment below and tell me in the comments, which agent are you going to launch first? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing. Let's make a profit.